往中国乘车站在哪里？
Where is a bus stop for Chinatown?
Where is a bus stop for Chinatown?
我如何去那儿？
How do I go there?
How do I go there?
离这儿近吗？
Is it near from here?
Is it near from here?
向左转，过2个街区。
Turn to the left and go 2 blocks.
Turn to the left and go 2 blocks.
请你带我去车站好吗？
Will you take me to the bus stop?
Will you take me to the bus stop?
这辆公共汽车开往哪里？
Where does this bus go?
Where does this bus go?
这辆公共汽车可带我到圣莫尼卡吗？
Does this bus take me to Santa Monica?
Does this bus take me to Santa Monica?
去棒球场的公共汽车在这儿停吗？
Does the bus for baseball stadium stop here?
Does the bus for baseball stadium stop here?
请换车。
Transfer, please.
Transfer, please.
距离这儿有多少个站？
How many stops is it from here?
How many stops is it from here?
要花几分钟？
How many minutes does it take?
How many minutes does it take?
路上拥挤吗？
Is the road crowded?
Is the road crowded?
我下车后该怎么办？
What shall I do when I get off?
What shall I do when I get off?
请让我在中央公园下车。
Please get me off at Westwood.
Please get me off at Westwood.
请停在这儿。
Please stop here.
Please stop here.
我们经过博物馆了吗？
Have we passed through the museum?
Have we passed through the museum?
附近有地铁站吗？
Is there a subway station around here?
Is there a subway station around here?
走下斜坡。
Go down the slope.
Go down the slope.
去中央公园的火车在这儿停吗？
Does the train for Central Park stop here?
Does the train for Central Park stop here?
我可搭何种火车？
What track can I take?
What track can I take?
只有一个入口吗？
Do we have only one entrance?
Do we have only one entrance?
我在哪里可买到票？
Where can I get a ticket?
Where can I get a ticket?
到奥克兰的票要多少钱？
How much is it as far as Oakland?
How much is it as far as Oakland?
到国家博物馆的票一张。
For National Museum, please.
For National Museum, please.
我应在哪一站换车？
At what station shall I change train?
At what station shall I change train?
往市政厅的火车停在哪一个月台？
To what platform does the train for City Hall come?
To what platform does the train for City Hall come?
我要去棒球场，可以在这里下车吗？
Shall I get off here to go to a stadium?
Shall I get off here to go to a stadium?
我必须换车吗？
Must I change cars?
Must I change cars?
我错过站了吗？
Did I ride past?
Did I ride past?
到月台去该怎么走？
How can I go to the platform?
How can I go to the platform?
我要下楼吗？
Do I go down the stairs?
Do I go down the stairs?
地铁路线真复杂，我实在不了解。
As the subway is much complicated, I can't understand.
As the subway is much complicated, I can't understand.
下一站是哪里？
What is the next station?
What is the next station?
我必须回来吗？
Do I have to get back?
Do I have to get back?
我搭乘的线路没错吧？
Did I take a right line?
Did I take a right line?
我可以搭乘哪一线的火车？
Which train can I take?
Which train can I take?
我应该在哪一站下车？
Which station shall I get off?
Which station shall I get off?
从几号门？
From what number of the gate?
From what number of the gate?
有出境大门吗？
Are there accordion gates?
Are there accordion gates?
我们要去搭小型巴士吗？
Are we going to get on the Limousin?
Are we going to get on the Limousin?
登机口离这儿远吗？
Is the flight entrance far from here?
Is the flight entrance far from here?
我要去23号门吗？
Do I go up to no 23rd gate?
Do I go up to no 23rd gate?
25号门在哪里？
Where is the 35th gate?
Where is the 35th gate?
我有时间吗？
Do I have time?
Do I have time?
请和那个人一块儿去。
Please go with that man.
Please go with that man.
你有手推车吗？
Do you have any hand carts?
Do you have any hand carts?
飞机还没到吗？
Hasn't the airplane come yet?
Hasn't the airplane come yet?
有出租车招呼站吗？
Is there a taxi stand?
Is there a taxi stand?
在这条路上可以招到出租车吗？
Can I get a taxi on this road?
Can I get a taxi on this road?
出租车常来吗？
Does a taxi often come?
Does a taxi often come?
请你为我叫辆出租车，好吗？
Will you call a taxi for me?
Will you call a taxi for me?
哪一种才是出租车呢？
Which car is a taxi?
Which car is a taxi?
我必须等多久呢？
How long will I have to wait?
How long will I have to wait?
这是辆空车吗？
Is this car vacant?
Is this car vacant?
请载我到希尔顿饭店。
Hilton Hotel, please.
Hilton Hotel, please.
11点之前可以到达飞机场吗？
Can I get to the airport by 11?
Can I get to the airport by 11?
请走高速公路。
Take the express highway, please.
Take the express highway, please.
请快一点。
Hurry up a bit, please.
Hurry up a bit, please.
请继续往前开。
Go straight on, please.
Go straight on, please.
请向右转。
Turn to the right, please.
Turn to the right, please.
我要在这里下车。
I'll get off here.
I'll get off here.
请你等一会儿好吗？
Could you wait for a moment?
Could you wait for a moment?
到市区要多少钱？
How much will it cost to go downtown?
How much will it cost to go downtown?
运行李要加费用吗？
Is there any charge for baggage?
Is there any charge for baggage?
要额外付夜间费用吗？
Is there an extra nighttime charge?
Is there an extra nighttime charge?
多少钱呢？
How much is it?
How much is it?
包括小费吗？
Is a tip included?
Is a tip included?
不用找钱了。
Please keep the change.
Please keep the change.
太贵了。
Too expensive.
Too expensive.
这门不是自动的吗？
Isn't the door automatic?
Isn't the door automatic?
我如何打开这个门？
How can I open the door?
How can I open the door?
它太重了，无法打开。
It's too heavy to open.
It's too heavy to open.
这门出了什么毛病？
Is there anything wrong with the door?
Is there anything wrong with the door?
这个门是要用手操作的。
This door is manual.
This door is manual.
我可以在这里开门吗？
Can I open the door here?
Can I open the door here?
请在旅馆后面停车。
Please stop behind the hotel.
Please stop behind the hotel.
我可以开门吗？
Shall I open the door?
Shall I open the door?
车上太挤，下车都很困难。
It's so tight to get off.
It's so tight to get off.
请往前，这儿有个水坑。
Please go ahead since there is a pool.
Please go ahead since there is a pool.
在这儿开门没问题吧？
Isn't it all right if I open?
Isn't it all right if I open?
请帮我拿下行李。
Please take down my baggage.
Please take down my baggage.
请叫服务生帮我拿行李。
Please ask boy to bring my baggage.
Please ask boy to bring my baggage.
请别关门。
Please don't shut the door.
Please don't shut the door.
请让门开着。
Keep the door open, please.
Keep the door open, please.
请帮我拿行李，好吗？
Will you bring my baggage?
Will you bring my baggage?
非常谢谢你的帮忙。
Thank you very much for helping me.
Thank you very much for helping me.
我想订到纽约的机票。
I'd like to reserve a ticket for New York.
I'd like to reserve a ticket for New York.
我必须在旅行社买机票吗？
Will I have to buy it at a travel agent?
Will I have to buy it at a travel agent?
我可以在飞机场买到吗？
Can I get it at the airport?
Can I get it at the airport?
我可以在哪里买到机票呢？
Where can I take an air ticket?
Where can I take an air ticket?
请帮我打电话给航空公司，好吗？
Will you telephone to the air company for me?
Will you telephone to the air company for me?
我如何能买到机票？
How can I get an air ticket?
How can I get an air ticket?
我可以在这里买到纽约的机票吗？
Can I get a ticket for New York here?
Can I get a ticket for New York here?
我要买一张到东京的票。
I want to buy a ticket for Tokyo one seat.
I want to buy a ticket for Tokyo one seat.
泛美航空公司的柜台在哪里？
Where is the counter of Pan American?
Where is the counter of Pan American?
没座位了吗？
No vacancy.
No vacancy.
我可以搭乘哪班飞机？
Which plane can I board?
Which plane can I board?
你有退票吗？
Do you have any cancels?
Do you have any cancels?
我必须等多久呢？
How long will I have to wait?
How long will I have to wait?
有没有快一点的班次？
Are there any faster ones?
Are there any faster ones?
有没有晚一点的机票？
Do you have more later ticket?
Do you have more later ticket?
有其他的航线吗？
Are there any other lines?
Are there any other lines?
什么时候起飞？
What time does it start?
What time does it start?
即使是吸烟舱也可以。
Even a smoking seat will be all right.
Even a smoking seat will be all right.
有禁烟舱的座位吗？
Is there a no smoking seat?
Is there a no smoking seat?
我可以要个靠窗的座位吗？
Can I take a window seat?
Can I take a window seat?
何时到达芝加哥？
What time will this get to Chicago?
What time will this get to Chicago?
日本航空公司32班次的飞机已经晚点3小时。
Japan Airlines flight number 32 has been delayed 3 hours.
Japan Airlines flight number 32 has been delayed 3 hours.
往波士顿的火车开走了吗？
Has the train for Boston gone yet?
Has the train for Boston gone yet?
下一班火车什么时候来？
What time will the next train come?
What time will the next train come?
下一班火车3小时后会来。
The next train comes 3 hours later.
The next train comes 3 hours later.
下一班是特快车吗？
Is the next train a limited express?
Is the next train a limited express?
我可以用这张票吗？
Can I use this ticket?
Can I use this ticket?
这张票只能今天用。
This ticket is only for today.
This ticket is only for today.
请再买一张票。
Please get another ticket.
Please get another ticket.
我也不能用特快车票吗？
Can't I use limited express ticket either?
Can't I use limited express ticket either?
我可以退这张票吗？
Can I refund this ticket?
Can I refund this ticket?
哪里可以退票？
Where can I refund the ticket?
Where can I refund the ticket?
我可以预先订车票吗？
Can I get the reserved seat in the train?
Can I get the reserved seat in the train?
请你事先订座位。
Please reserve a seat for you in advance.
Please reserve a seat for you in advance.
今天火车没有别的班次了吗？
Is there no more train today?
Is there no more train today?
有没有增加的列车？
Is there an extra train?
Is there an extra train?
火车将停在哪一个月台？
At what platform does the train come?
At what platform does the train come?
下一班车误点了吗？
Is the next train late?
Is the next train late?
火车快来了。
The train will come soon.
The train will come soon.
你有火车时刻表吗？
Do you have the timetable?
Do you have the timetable?
哪里是候车室？
Where is the waiting room?
Where is the waiting room?
我可以出站吗？
Can I go out of the station?
Can I go out of the station?
附近有问询处吗？
Is any information around here?
Is any information around here?
车站附近有咖啡店吗？
Are there any coffee shops near the station?
Are there any coffee shops near the station?
下一班火车来时请告诉我。
Please tell me if the next train comes.
Please tell me if the next train comes.
有长途巴士吗？
Is there a long-distance bus?
Is there a long-distance bus?
什么车可以最快到那里？
What is the fastest to arrive there?
What is the fastest to arrive there?
哪一种交通工具能使我在今天内到达那里？
Which transportation can I take to go there within today?
Which transportation can I take to go there within today?
搭飞机是最快的。
The airplane is the fast.
The airplane is the fast.
还有没有其他方法可到那里？
Are there any other way to go there?
Are there any other way to go there?
我可以在哪里获取那里的方法？
Where can I find how to go there?
Where can I find how to go there?
巴士和火车哪一种较快？
Which is earlier, bus or train?
Which is earlier, bus or train?
你最好等3个小时，然后搭火车去。
You had better to wait for 3 hours and go by train.
You had better to wait for 3 hours and go by train.
哪种方式最经济？
Which is the cheapest way?
Which is the cheapest way?
到那里最便宜的价格是多少？
What is the cheapest to go there?
What is the cheapest to go there?
费用多少？
How much is the charge?
How much is the charge?
如何到巴士起点站？
How to go to the bus terminal?
How to go to the bus terminal?
到迈阿密要几小时？
How many hours does it take to Miami?
How many hours does it take to Miami?
这巴士经过丹佛吗？
Does this bus go through Denver?
Does this bus go through Denver?
每天到波士顿的巴士有多少？
How many buses for Boston a day?
How many buses for Boston a day?
巴士里有休息室吗？
Does a bus have a restroom?
Does a bus have a restroom?
有空调吗？
Any air conditioner?
Any air conditioner?
这车程是通宵的吗？
Does this travel all through the night?
Does this travel all through the night?
有时候这巴士停留在简易餐馆。
The bus sometimes stops at a drive-in.
The bus sometimes stops at a drive-in.
我们在纽约休息多久？
How long will we have a rest at New York?
How long will we have a rest at New York?
可以在任何一个站停留吗？
Can I stop over at any stops?
Can I stop over at any stops?
这飞机怎么了？
Is there anything wrong with the plane?
Is there anything wrong with the plane?
今天没有飞行班次吗？
No flight today.
No flight today.
现在没有飞机起飞。
No planes fly now.
No planes fly now.
往纽约的班机何时起飞？
When does the plane for New York fly?
When does the plane for New York fly?
我们必须等多久？
How long do we have to wait?
How long do we have to wait?
我应在何处等候？
Where shall I wait?
Where shall I wait?
请在休息室等候。
Please wait in the lobby.
Please wait in the lobby.
我们报告消息。
We announce the information.
We announce the information.
到纽约还有其他方式吗？
Is there any other way to New York?
Is there any other way to New York?
我愿意搭乘别的班机。
I'd like to take other plane.
I'd like to take other plane.
我必须在今天之内到达。
I have to go within today.
I have to go within today.
雾散之后，这班飞机可以立刻起飞吗？
Will the plane fly soon after the fog clears?
Will the plane fly soon after the fog clears?
飞机场关闭了。
The airport is closed.
The airport is closed.
请你帮我退机票好吗？
Could you refund my air ticket?
Could you refund my air ticket?
我想要变更目的地。
I'd like to change my destination.
I'd like to change my destination.
飞机场附近有旅馆吗？
Is there a hotel near the airport?
Is there a hotel near the airport?
航空公司为我们准备了旅馆，不是吗？
Airline prepare hotel for us, doesn't it?
Airline prepare hotel for us, doesn't it?
我们不必限定旅馆费用吗？
Don't we have to fix our hotel charge?
Don't we have to fix our hotel charge?
旅馆在哪里？
Where is the hotel?
Where is the hotel?
我们用巴士接你过去。
We take you over by bus.
We take you over by bus.
明天我搭乘的班次是几点？
What time is my flight tomorrow?
What time is my flight tomorrow?
你什么时候来接我？
What time will you meet me?
What time will you meet me?
这巴士不能载我到市区吗？
Doesn't this bus take me to the downtown?
Doesn't this bus take me to the downtown?
我应该在这里换车吗？
Should I change cars here?
Should I change cars here?
我在哪里可以换车？
Where can I change?
Where can I change?
我必须回头吗？
Do I have to return?
Do I have to return?
方向错了吗？
Is this direction wrong?
Is this direction wrong?
我该如何去？
How shall I go?
How shall I go?
我可以换何种巴士？
Which bus can I change?
Which bus can I change?
请你告诉我最好的方式好吗？
Would you tell me the best way?
Would you tell me the best way?
你还好吧？
Are you all right?
Are you all right?
痛吗？
Do you have pain?
Do you have pain?
你能走吗？
Can you walk?
Can you walk?
你伤在哪里？
What part did you have hit?
What part did you have hit?
我的肩膀似乎被撞伤了。
It seems I had my shoulder hit.
It seems I had my shoulder hit.
你以前有这个伤疤吗？
Did you have this scar before?
Did you have this scar before?
你的衣服破了吗？
Did your dress break?
Did your dress break?
需要我送你回去吗？
Shall I take you home?
Shall I take you home?
需要我去叫警察吗？
Shall I call for the police?
Shall I call for the police?
请你和我一起去见警察好吗？
Will you come and see the police with me?
Will you come and see the police with me?
我们一起去医院吧。
Let's go to a hospital.
Let's go to a hospital.
我没有受伤。
I'm not injured.
I'm not injured.
这是部出租汽车。
This car is rental.
This car is rental.
我将和出租汽车公司联系。
I'll get in contact with a rental car company.
I'll get in contact with a rental car company.
我会有这意外事件的记录吗？
Shall I have a record of the accident?
Shall I have a record of the accident?
请你将记录交给保险公司好吗？
Would you offer it to the insurance company?
Would you offer it to the insurance company?
请到警察局去拿。
Please come to the police to pick it up.
Please come to the police to pick it up.
我带着汽车损害保险。
I carry automobile liability insurance.
I carry automobile liability insurance.
我将会得到保险公司的赔偿。
I will have it paid by the insurance company.
I will have it paid by the insurance company.
我应办什么手续？
What kind of procedure shall I take?
What kind of procedure shall I take?
这手续会花很多时间吗？
Does the procedure take much time?
Does the procedure take much time?
请告诉我你的电话号码。
Please tell me your telephone number.
Please tell me your telephone number.
这是我的驾驶执照。
This is my driving license.
This is my driving license.
你将和保险公司联系。
You shall have a contact from an insurance company.
You shall have a contact from an insurance company.
我的腿好像断了。
It seems I had my leg broken.
It seems I had my leg broken.
我头痛。
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
我流了很多的血，快死了。
I feel dying with too much blood.
I feel dying with too much blood.
我无法走路，请扶我一下。
Please give your hand because I can't walk.
Please give your hand because I can't walk.
请送我到医院。
Please take me to the hospital.
Please take me to the hospital.
哪里有电话亭？
Where is a telephone box?
Where is a telephone box?
我如何能叫到救护车？
How can I call an ambulance?
How can I call an ambulance?
你能到太平洋旅馆拿我的行李吗？
Can you take my baggages in Pacific Hotel?
Can you take my baggages in Pacific Hotel?
请打电话给我的朋友。
Please call my friend.
Please call my friend.
医院离这里近吗？
Is the hospital near from here?
Is the hospital near from here?
我的手断了吗？
Is my hand broken?
Is my hand broken?
我想喝点水。
I want to have some water.
I want to have some water.
我需要动手术吗？
Do I have to have an operation?
Do I have to have an operation?
请告诉我的朋友去帮我拿衣服。
Please tell my friend to bring my clothes.
Please tell my friend to bring my clothes.
这里花费如何？
How about payment here?
How about payment here?
其他人必须付款吗？
Is the other person expected to pay?
Is the other person expected to pay?
我是一个旅行者，所以没有保险。
I'm a traveler, so I don't have insurance.
I'm a traveler, so I don't have insurance.
我需要护照吗？
Do I need a passport?
Do I need a passport?
我何时可出院？
When can I leave the hospital?
When can I leave the hospital?
你可以打电话给领事馆吗？
Could you call the consulate?
Could you call the consulate?
我正以限制的速度行驶。
I was running with regulation speed.
I was running with regulation speed.
限制车速是多少？
How is the regulation speed?
How is the regulation speed?
我暂时停下来。
I did a temporary stop.
I did a temporary stop.
我是看到标志上的通行才穿过去的。
The signal showed walk when I crossed.
The signal showed walk when I crossed.
人家都在穿过马路，所以我也穿过去。
I crossed the street because they were crossing.
I crossed the street because they were crossing.
这条街禁止进入吗？
Is this street no enter?
Is this street no enter?
我看不到这个标志牌。
I couldn't see such a plate.
I couldn't see such a plate.
很抱歉，我开得太快了。
I'm sorry I was in a hurry.
I'm sorry I was in a hurry.
我不熟悉这里的道路。
I'm not familiar with the road here.
I'm not familiar with the road here.
我如何违反交通规则的？
How did I commit a traffic offense?
How did I commit a traffic offense?
我不签字，因为我不认为我错了。
I won't sign because I don't think I'm wrong.
I won't sign because I don't think I'm wrong.
罚金多少？
How much is fine?
How much is fine?
我如何付这个罚金？
How shall I pay for a fine?
How shall I pay for a fine?
我必须到警察局吗？
Do I have to go to a police station?
Do I have to go to a police station?
我可以在这儿付款吗？
Can I pay here?
Can I pay here?
我何时才可以付钱？
Till when will I pay?
Till when will I pay?
用旅行支票可以吗？
Is the traveler's check all right?
Is the traveler's check all right?
我可以申诉吗？
Can I propose any objection?
Can I propose any objection?
我应如何办手续？
How shall I take its procedure?
How shall I take its procedure?
我必须到法院吗？
Will I have to go to the court?
Will I have to go to the court?
我必须先付钱吗？
Must I pay money first?
Must I pay money first?
你何时通知我？
When will you let me know it?
When will you let me know it?
我们会把通知寄给你。
We'll send notice by mail.
We'll send notice by mail.
你在巴士上有没有发现遗失的行李？
Didn't you find the baggage left in the bus?
Didn't you find the baggage left in the bus?
我把它放在行李架上。
I left it on a rack.
I left it on a rack.
什么样子的行李？
What kind of baggage?
What kind of baggage?
它是一个褐色的纸袋子。
It's brown paper bag.
It's brown paper bag.
你有没有看到一个黑色的布袋子？
Did you notice the black cloth bag?
Did you notice the black cloth bag?
里面有纪念品。
The souvenirs are in it.
The souvenirs are in it.
还没有来吗？
Doesn't come yet.
Doesn't come yet.
我可以在哪里询问这件事？
Where can I ask it?
Where can I ask it?
请到办公室询问。
Please go and ask it at the office.
Please go and ask it at the office.
失物招领处在哪里？
Where is the lost and found?
Where is the lost and found?
请到办公室好吗？
Would you go to head office?
Would you go to head office?
请告诉我电话号码。
Please tell me the telephone number.
Please tell me the telephone number.
请你到车库去问好吗？
Will you ask at a bus shed?
Will you ask at a bus shed?
你想它会再出现吗？
Do you think it'll come out?
Do you think it'll come out?
我最好向警察局报案吗？
Had I better report to the police?
Had I better report to the police?
我忘了把它放在哪里了。
I don't remember where I put it.
I don't remember where I put it.
假如你找到了，请打电话到旅馆来。
Please call the hotel if you'll find it.
Please call the hotel if you'll find it.
我应该到哪里去拿？
Where should I go and take it?
Where should I go and take it?
请你送到旅馆来好吗？
Will you send it to the hotel?
Will you send it to the hotel?
假如我不在，请留话。
Please leave a message if I won't be there.
Please leave a message if I won't be there.
谁送过来的？
Who sent it?
Who sent it?
我很高兴东西找到了。
I'm glad it was found.
I'm glad it was found.
005航班的行李寄放处在哪里？
Where is the delivering place of the baggage on flight number 005?
Where is the delivering place of the baggage on flight number 005?
就那些吗？
That's all.
That's all.
还有没有别的行李？
Are there any baggages?
Are there any baggages?
我的行李还没有送到。
My baggages have not come yet.
My baggages have not come yet.
我还没有收到白色的皮箱。
I didn't receive my white suitcase.
I didn't receive my white suitcase.
我应到哪里去问？
Where shall I ask?
Where shall I ask?
会不会和别的航线的行李混在一起了？
Is it mixed up with another airline?
Is it mixed up with another airline?
你能帮我找到吗？
Could you look for it for me?
Could you look for it for me?
我掉了认领标签了。
I lost my claim tag.
I lost my claim tag.
这就是我的行李。
This is my very baggage.
This is my very baggage.
里面有我的换洗衣物。
There are my spare clothes in it.
There are my spare clothes in it.
行李中有件重要的东西。
There is an important thing in the baggage.
There is an important thing in the baggage.
你可以和航空公司联系吗？
Could you get in contact with an airline?
Could you get in contact with an airline?
那个班机是往哪里的？
Where was that plane for?
Where was that plane for?
我什么时候知道？
When do I know it?
When do I know it?
无论如何，请找到。
Please find it out by all means.
Please find it out by all means.
如果找不到，你该如何对我交代？
What will you do for me if not found?
What will you do for me if not found?
你将会赔偿的，不是吗？
You will make up for it, won't you?
You will make up for it, won't you?
如果今天之内找不到的话，我的麻烦可大了。
I'm troubled if it won't be found during today.
I'm troubled if it won't be found during today.
明天以前我必须到达芝加哥。
I have to go to Chicago by tomorrow.
I have to go to Chicago by tomorrow.
如果找到了，可否让我知道？
Could you let me know it when found?
Could you let me know it when found?
请把它送到旅馆来。
Please send it to the hotel.
Please send it to the hotel.
好像有人拿了我的行李。
It seems someone brought my baggage.
It seems someone brought my baggage.
皮箱一样，但是里面的东西不同。
It's the same bag but not contents.
It's the same bag but not contents.
你没有看到像这个一样的皮箱吗？
Didn't you see another bag look like it?
Didn't you see another bag look like it?
它看起来有什么特别的地方？
Does it look any special?
Does it look any special?
在我的皮箱上有一张名片。
There is a name plate on my bag.
There is a name plate on my bag.
没有任何记号。
It doesn't have any mark.
It doesn't have any mark.
你有没有看到别人拿错了这个皮箱？
Did you have a contact from a person who carried it by mistake?
Did you have a contact from a person who carried it by mistake?
我可以在这里等吗？
May I wait here?
May I wait here?
我拿错了别人的行李。
I brought other baggage by mistake.
I brought other baggage by mistake.
它是你的吗？
Is it yours?
Is it yours?
只要你打来这个皮箱，你就知道它是我的。
If you open the bag, you will see it's mine.
If you open the bag, you will see it's mine.
你有东西要申报吗？
Do you have anything to declare?
Do you have anything to declare?
没有。
Nothing.
Nothing.
我在日本免税商店买了这样东西。
I bought it at a duty-free shop in Japan.
I bought it at a duty-free shop in Japan.
这是什么？看起来好像是麻醉药。
What is this? It looks like anesthesia.
What is this? It looks like anesthesia.
它是一种日本制的胃肠药。
It's an intertidal medicine from Japan.
It's an intertidal medicine from Japan.
你不可以把酒带进来。
You can't bring in this liquor.
You can't bring in this liquor.
可否请你保留它直到我出去之后？
Will you keep it here till I'll go out?
Will you keep it here till I'll go out?
你可以做任何你想做的事。
You can do what you want to.
You can do what you want to.
这是日本蛋糕。
This is Japanese cake.
This is Japanese cake.
这是要送我朋友的礼物。
This is a present for my friend.
This is a present for my friend.
请把它打开。
Please open it.
Please open it.
这个相机是纪念品。
This camera is for souvenir.
This camera is for souvenir.
你不能把这棵植物带出去。
You can't bring out this plant.
You can't bring out this plant.
我不能从这里把它带走吗？
Can't I take it out from here?
Can't I take it out from here?
你们禁止的是哪种植物？
What kind of plants do you prohibit?
What kind of plants do you prohibit?
我不能带出去的是哪一种？
Which one can't I take out?
Which one can't I take out?
水果可以吗？
Is fruit okay?
Is fruit okay?
我想要带着这条狗到日本。
I'd like to take this dog to Japan with me.
I'd like to take this dog to Japan with me.
我必须要办什么手续？
How do I have to take steps?
How do I have to take steps?
需要到我买的地方吗？
Must I go to the place where I bought?
Must I go to the place where I bought?
它没有受过检疫。
It wasn't quarantined.
It wasn't quarantined.
我必须要申报所有的东西吗？
Must I report all of them?
Must I report all of them?
如果我申报了要课税吗？
Will it be taxable if I report it?
Will it be taxable if I report it?